now. So we're here pumping out sap. It's getting cold. So Fred's gonna pump a load into Sap Squatch. He helped me unload our generator. This is a project to put a generator here at the maple farm. This is a diesel generator. In single phase, it'll run 62.5 amps. So we're gonna have Dad rewire it for single phase and hook it into that panel over by Fred. And this diesel generator is powerful enough to run the maple operation, run the little house that Andy lives in, and run my parents' place. So we can run three things with one diesel generator. It has 82 hours on it. So 84 hours, and it's a Cummins diesel. So Cummins diesel engine on a 15 kW generator. So if we lose power here, which happens, we're in a pretty rural area, we'll be able to still run the maple operation, run our vacuum pumps, and this pump here is run off electric, so we are pumping sap up here right now. So without power, we have no maple production.